Imagine a life where you have the ability to shape your reality, where every desire becomes a tangible manifestation. Picture yourself tapping into the limitless power of the universe, effortlessly attracting abundance and success. In this thrilling video, we will delve into the mysterious world of I Am Consciousness. We'll unravel the secrets behind Neville Goddard's renowned I Am Prayer technique and its incredible potential to skyrocket your manifestation abilities. Welcome, friends, to our channel. Hope you are doing good in your manifestation journey. Be warned, my friends, unlocking your true potential requires courage and dedication. It demands that you release the limiting beliefs that have held you back and step boldly into the realm of possibility. Through this gripping exploration, we will venture into the uncharted territories of your mind. We will reveal how the simple repetition of two words, I am, can unleash a force within you that will shape your reality like never before. Prepare to witness the transformative power of the I Am mantra as it ignites the dormant potential within you. Brace yourself for the awe-inspiring revelations that will challenge everything you thought you knew about manifestation. By the end of this video, you will possess the tools, the guidance, and the unwavering belief in your own abilities to unlock your true potential and make your dreams a reality. But remember, my friend, this journey is not for the faint of heart. It requires your full commitment and willingness to explore the depths of your consciousness. Are you ready to take a leap into the unknown? Will you dare to unleash the power within and manifest your wildest dreams? If you're ready to step into your greatness, achieve your ambitions, and manifest your desires, then join us on this transformative journey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an empowering video that can enhance your manifestation journey. Get ready to unlock your true potential and make your dreams a reality. The power is within you. Using Neville Goddard's I Am Prayer technique allows us all to access our higher selves more quickly than ever before, unlocking our true potential in every area of life, from relationships and career success to money, abundance, and spiritual growth. Tap into I Am Consciousness today and expect miracles. This incredible technique from Neville Goddard's book, At Your Command, only takes 2 minutes but can be used to achieve greater awareness and break free from limitations. To begin, find a spot where you can relax, close your eyes, and take deep breaths while silently or out loud repeating, I am, I am, I am, I am, until a shift in energy is felt. Allow yourself to release all negative thoughts by allowing mental energy to expand in this spiritual state of consciousness for 2 5-minute intervals, as instructed by Neville Goddard himself. It is important to recognize that even though God loves us and wants us all to prosper, it is ultimately up to each individual human being how they use his gift of free will effectively and responsibly for growth purposes. Be confident knowing that when doing the technique correctly, there won't be any losses. Instead, something bigger will be discovered within oneself, an access point to hidden potentials previously unknown. When carrying out this exercise, keep these tips in mind so that all efforts are maximized with fruitful results sure to follow. Stay focused on the mantra throughout the entire process. Dedicate 2 5-minute intervals towards inner expansion work and remain consistent in order for positive changes to occur inside yourself naturally over time. With dedication and patience, great rewards come. So power up your consciousness today with Neville Goddard's I Am Prayer technique. Manifesting success through higher consciousness can be achieved with Neville Goddard's I Am Prayer technique. This self-improvement tool has been around for a long time and is gaining in popularity as it helps people unlock their true potential. The key to this technique is reaching a higher level of consciousness by allowing yourself to feel the essence and vibration of each word. The first step is to create an I am statement, affirming your desired state for whatever area you want to focus on, such as health, romance, or money. When crafting your statement, make sure that it resonates with your soul and speaks directly to the universe about what you wish for. For example, I am wealthy beyond my wildest dreams, or I am deeply connected with my beloved. Next, visualize vividly what it would look like when achieving what you are manifesting. Seeing yourself holding a stack of crisp $100 bills in your hands and celebrating its arrival with gratitude for abundance can help realize your goals faster and more easily. With visualization comes meditation, which will allow you access into deeper levels of consciousness where miracles can happen at any given moment. Stay open to signs from the universe that will guide you closer towards manifestation. Trust in its infinite wisdom and alignment of opportunities that come along the way to help achieve success quicker and easier. By using Neville Goddard's I Am Prayer technique combined with positive affirmations, visualizations, and meditations, one can gain access into a higher level of consciousness, which will lead them closer towards manifesting success as well as unlock their true potential. The world of self-improvement is filled with many different methods and techniques to unlock your true potential. Neville Goddard's wisdom stands out amongst the rest as an incredibly powerful tool for unlocking inner potential. Through the use of affirmation and visualization, one can manifest their dreams into reality. To ensure that this technique works best, make sure to set aside 2 minutes or more to repeat affirmations and visualize what you want in life until an internal surge of energy confirms that the process has been successful. This practice is known as the I Am Prayer. It involves repeating a phrase such as I am prosperous or I am healthy over and over again to create positive vibrations within oneself. This type of practice has been used by many successful people throughout history, including Neville Goddard himself. It is important to take action after using this transformative experience by speaking the words daily for the best results. Encourage others who are interested in unlocking their true potential with Neville Goddard's teachings by sharing with friends and liking on social platforms such as YouTube or Facebook. Turn on notifications to stay aware of new content related to spiritual growth online. Believe in yourself and your dreams because anything is possible if you put your heart and soul into pursuing goals with an open mindset. Reflect on how far you have come and all the accomplishments achieved while striving towards future objectives through dedication and discipline. Utilize these basic techniques every day so that great victories may eventually be earned over time without becoming discouraged during difficult moments encountered throughout life's journey. Unlocking your true potential with Neville Goddard's teachings will help you reach greater heights than ever imagined. Start today by repeating affirmations aloud every day while visualizing what it would feel like once each goal has been achieved. As we wrap up this video, I want to personally thank each and every one of you for watching till the very end. Your time and attention mean the world to us, and we are grateful for your support. Before we part ways, I want to leave you with a heartfelt blessing. May the divine forces that govern the universe shower you with abundance, love, and joy. May every step you take be guided by intuition and wisdom, leading you to a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Thank you once again for being a part of our community. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with others who may benefit, and subscribe to our channel to stay connected as we continue to explore the realm of self-improvement and manifestation. God bless you abundantly.